Hey everyone, welcome to the very first episode of ClickUp Unplugged, Productivity Without Limits. I'm your host, Sally, and joining me today are two amazing guests who have been deep in the world of productivity and project management, Antony and Johan. How's it going, guys?
Hey, Sally. Excited to be here. Doing great.
Same here. Can't wait to dive into this.
Awesome! So today's topic is ClickUp 101, what it is, why it's a game changer, and our first impressions when we started using it. We'll also touch on ClickUp free versus paid, and whether it's actually worth upgrading. Sound good?
Perfect. There's a lot to unpack.
Let's do it.
All right, let's start with the basics. What is ClickUp? For anyone new to this, ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity tool that helps teams and individuals manage tasks, docs, goals, and so much more. It's like Trello, Asana, and Notion had a baby, right?
Haha, yeah. That's a great way to put it. I'd say ClickUp is like a Swiss Army knife for productivity. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a huge team, it has something for you.
Agreed. And what sets it apart is how customizable it is. Like, you can tweak everything. Views, workflows, automations, you name it. It can be overwhelming at first, but once you set it up, it's a game changer.
I love that you mentioned overwhelming because when I first signed up, I thought, wow, this is a lot. Did you guys feel the same way?
Oh, 100%. I remember logging in, seeing the interface, and thinking, where do I even start? But after watching a few tutorials and playing around, it just clicked. Pun intended.
Haha, nice one. Yeah, I had the same reaction. I was coming from Trello, which is super simple, and ClickUp felt like going from a bicycle to a spaceship. But now I can't imagine going back.
That's actually a great transition into our next topic, ClickUp free versus paid. Antony, you're still on the free plan, right?
Yep, I've been using the free forever plan for months now. And honestly, it's pretty solid. You get unlimited tasks, 100 megabytes of storage, and access to most core features. The only thing I miss sometimes is the advanced automation.
And Johan, you're on the business plan, right?
Yeah, I upgraded because my team needed more integrations and custom workflows. The paid plans unlock things like advanced dashboards, time tracking, and unlimited integrations, which is huge for us.
So do you think the upgrade is worth it?
For personal use, the free plan is more than enough. But if you're running a business or managing a team, I can definitely see why you'd upgrade.
Exactly. If you need automations, workload management, or client sharing, it's a no-brainer.
That's a great breakdown. So before we wrap up, let's each share one thing we love about ClickUp and one thing we think needs improvement.
Love how customizable it is. Needs improvement? The learning curve can be steep.
Favorite thing? Definitely the integrations. Improvement? The mobile app still feels clunky sometimes.
I love how you can switch between so many views, lists, boards, timelines. But I agree, the mobile app could be smoother. All right, guys, that's a wrap for today. Thanks so much for joining. In our next episode, we'll break down ClickUp 3.0 and whether it's actually a big upgrade or just hype. If you're enjoying this series, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. See you next time.